Hello friends, welcome to my channel. And today I'm gonna share with you how you can use sharpen effects in your Instagram post when you upload your account. Okay, so this is easy process. Just follow my step, then you will learn. So before the tutorial starts, you are friendly requested to subscribe to this channel. And if you face any problem or if you have any question, please let me know in comment below. So let's begin the tutorial. Here you can see the Instagram app. Just click on the app, and after that here you can see the option bottom part. Okay, the plus icon, click on this and click post twice and choose your image and fit it according to your ratio. After that you have to go there on the right top corner arrow button, click on this, and here you can see the option edit button. Okay, the right side of bottom, just click edit and scroll the right side and go to the last option of this section, go to sharpen. Okay, this is original of your image, so if you want to make it sharpen, then you have to increase this circle, drag it in right side, you can see the difference, so it will visible more sharpen and it looks good. Okay, so if your image has a little bit noisy, then you can use this effect. This is very helpful effects for your picture. Okay, so I just give this effects 17, and after that done, then you can upload it in your Instagram account. Okay friend, today is no more. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching this tutorial.